The purpose of buying this ultrasonic cleaner, this investment, was made because I cleaned some parts from my water softener. All this dark browning is buildup of iron. So here are all of the water softener pump parts that have been cleaned. As you can see, I might have some pictures here, but all of the rust stains that were inside of that orifice are gone. You can see down through that side there, and then the main body, and especially down in there. That was another area I was concerned about putting it back together if everything had not been removed. Those are some black scuff marks that may have been when I was actually scraping it. If you can see, all of these crevices in here are actually clean. I got one little spot in there, might have to pick on that. And then there's this part here. This part is 100% clean. Then all the parts seem to be in very good working order. So I will reassemble these and get our water softener back up and running. This bowl I actually picked up at thrift store for $3.99. It's a glass bowl because I'm using chemicals. Glass is a pretty good utility or utensil to use when working with chemicals.